Hello. Okay. Welcome to another mystery box video. I'm Wojtek, I'm a chef here in HelloFresh, and today I'm gonna cook a recipe without a recipe. Alright, so today I'm presented with mystery box, which is this HelloFresh box with bag of ingredients inside, but without the recipe card. And let's see what I can cook with it today. Alright, so we have puff pastry, thyme, mustard, potato, pointed pepper, 2 onions, apple, camembert, and a salad. Okay, so what's the plan of action? Okay, so I'm gonna first peel the potatoes and slice them on a mandolin. Meanwhile, I'm gonna fry the pepper with the onions on the pan just to create my, get my filling going. But this is for now. Maybe I'm gonna change my opinion at some point. Okay, let's stick to the initial.
As long as it's
As
edible.
long as it's edible. Of course it's gonna be edible, it's gonna be delicious. What do you mean?
Sure.
That's what we
what
wanna
we
see.
want.
Guys, I'm just gonna work, okay? It's just like this little adrenaline of working in the kitchen. I think I never had anything like this in any other job. Let's just put it here on the side. Let's just get with the pepper first. Get the seeds out. Alrighty. Just gonna... Yeah. Okay, a bit of butter without it. Just slicing the onion. Okay, a bit of salt. Slice the pepper as well, like thin stripes. Right. I want some caramelization, I want nice color, but I don't want to completely overcook because I want to have a bit of a crunch. Okay, this is frying. Let's just handle the potatoes. I feel what I want to do here is just to slice it as thinly as possible, to almost like paper thin. So I show you a trick how to make it safe if you don't have a safeguard. So you press it always with palm of your hand, keeping your fingers really high up. So that's the first step. And then when you get to really super end of it, fingers up, and you do it only with the palm of your hand. Get to the end of the potato, and then you get this folded paper in, and then slice it. Okay, so we got this. You can go pretty heavy on the salt because we're gonna wash it off. The salt will make it go softer, and because we're gonna lose this water, we're gonna caramelize way quicker. We're gonna crispy up way quicker. Okay, and this will probably take around 10 minutes. So just press it nice, and we just let it sit. So I think this is almost getting there. Getting nice color, and I think it's a nice moment to just add this thyme for a minute. We'll release all these flavor compounds. So this is our filling, and we just can put it on the side. We just don't need to do with it for a while. So we have potatoes waiting for us for a few more minutes, so I guess we can just make ourselves useful and do some bits of the salad. So I thought maybe just quick pickle of red onion for the topping of the salad. Okay, you don't want it too thinly because it's gonna, the salt and the lemon juice will just make it too soft and too flat. So there is a bit thicker cut. Lemon juice to this one. So you squeeze the lemon juice, add really a good amount of salt, and then you just kind of massage it. You break down all these layers of onion, just mix it well with your fingers, and just set it aside. That's a bit of our salad. Just again a bit of butter. So butter is melting. I got an apple. So let's just get it quickly done. And we just add these apples here. So this is going, we can meanwhile take the potatoes. The water is coming out from potatoes. And the texture has changed. It became leathery, I squish them and they don't break. And that's what we want. I washed them already, and I'm gonna drain it But as you see, like we lost all the salt now. We wanna dry it, actually we wanna dry it, fold the paper like this, and then you just roll it and you push it a bit and it should be fine. So I put on the side to check if the apples are getting there. I think that's a good caramelization, like it's okay. So let's just flip it for like a minute, for like 1 more minute. Meanwhile, our potatoes, maybe just season them already, unroll it. I'm gonna season them now. I think our apples are really ready. I'm not gonna work them any longer. Okay, so this is, I think filling is ready. Okay, so I think we are really nearing it. I mean, like the final stage of the meal. We gonna put our potatoes on a pan. Our filling is ready. Our onion is marinated. The last thing we need to do is to get our oven hot, like around 190 degrees, and make the salad dressing in between. Get a puff pastry, you know, prepare it, oven, and hopefully in 20 minutes we're gonna be there. It's nice and melted potatoes in. Potatoes are getting there. We have a few seconds for our salad dressing. You know, I'm gonna just use this bit of a pickling juice from the onions. Let's add a bit of sugar, salt, not too much, and then we have mustard. Okay, we just mix it like this. Oh yeah, black pepper, and we're gonna get some olive oil. The trick here is to add oil slowly so that it emulsifies with the mustard. Right, so you see how thick it is. Okay, put it on the side. The bottom layer is like slowly getting mashed, so like I'm just gonna give a few more seconds. I think potatoes are, yeah, this is really ready for our needs. Pretty crispy. Just have them on a plate like this. Let them cool off a bit so the puff pastry doesn't instantaneously melt. Two more things. Our camembert, which we need to cut, and prepare egg wash for the top of the puff. It's very simple, just tiny bit of salt and a bit of water, so it's not as thick, just tiny bit. And just whisk it. Okay. I think we are really ready to assemble this puff pastry. All this time in the fridge. Unroll it. Meal for 3. So cut the puff in 3 longer rectangular pieces. So maybe the base will be the potatoes. And we don't want our puff, you know, get too warm. Okay, so this is our filling from apples, pepper, red onion, and thyme. Oop. Hope I'm gonna be able to fold it. And this camembert, and like we just kind of like push it inside. This will go on top of the puff, but we can actually use it on those little edges on the inside of this pocket. And now we fold it. Oh. We're gonna egg wash this puff pastry. We have to put it in the fridge first for like 15 minutes. Our puff is cold and ready. I'm gonna do 2 small incisions to let the steam escape while those pockets bake, and let's go to the oven for 50 minutes, I guess. I think we have 5 minutes left on the puff pastry pockets in the oven, so that's a good moment to mix the salad with the dressing, and we are good for serving. Just mix it nice, coat it well. We just put it already over it. Let's head to the oven. All right, fresh and hot from the oven. Looks really good. I think this is what I was going for. All right, let's plate it. One on this plate, one on this one. Just use my hand like a savage that I am. Oh yeah. All right, so let's see if my plan worked out. All right, let's open it up. Let's do the visual inspection of this little experiment. So we have little Camembert melting over here. I deem it successful. We have layers of potatoes underneath and they still look pretty crispy, or at least caramelized. So inspection's over. Time to try. Moment of truth. Okay. Huh.
What's your thought?
Yeah, I would serve it to my family.
Oh, would you? That's good.
It's enough butter in it, so they'll be they'll be happy. You wanna try it?
I would try.
Hey, let's try it.
Why?
With the pickled onion.
Oh, I love that. Yeah, I really love that.
Yeah, only took 3 hours.
That's great. You want to see what was the recipe?
Okay, yeah, let's do it. Okay. I mean, like, I was pretty, yeah, I guess it was pretty close. I'm gonna show you this is, this is it. It looks pretty similar. Except you have the small potato, like the potatoes are, and the pepper, I think, are like roasted separately. So the puff pastry pocket has only Camembert in it. All right, thank you for today. This has been fun. I really enjoyed it. If you want more, like, share, subscribe, and I see you soon.